Interpolation search is an algorithm for searching for a given key value in an indexed array that has been ordered by the values of the key. It parallels how humans search through a telephone book for a particular name, the key value by which the book's entries are ordered. In each such step, it calculates where in the remaining search space the sought item might be based on the key values at the bounds of the search space and the value of the sought key, usually via a linear interpolation. The key value actually found at this estimated position is then compared to the key value being sought. If it is not equal, then depending on the comparison, the remaining search space is reduced to the part before or after the estimated position. It's more like our binary search algorithm. There we take the mid element, whereas here we calculate the mid element value by interpolation technique. That is the main conceptual difference. Otherwise, remaining everything is same. That is, we have the key value at beginning location and at the ending location, and then we have some number which we wanted to search, that is the key which we wanted to sort. So we estimate based upon the starting value, ending value, probable index, and at that location the actual value available in the array is compared with the search value. If it is same, then we say that it is available. Otherwise, if the search value is greater than, then we continue the search in the right half. Otherwise, we continue the search in the left half, similar to binary searching. The following slide will explain the code for the same and also some sample runs. Consider the array contains the values 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and the search element is 3. Thus, we calculate m value based upon the interpolation technique. Probably where these 3 values should be based upon the trend of the data. We employ interpolation technique. So if we calculate m, assuming that low value is 1, high value is 17, x is 3. So probably where that 3 will be in this data based upon a trend. If we estimate, m becomes 1. In the array at location 1, what is the value available? That is 3. So that we consider it as a mid. Is this x, that is the search value, is it same as the mid? Yes. Which means that x is available in the array, that our search is successful. Now for the same data, let us assume that the search element is x is 4. As usual, we will predict the probable location of 4 in the data by the interpolation technique. So m value becomes 1, mid value is 3. So thus, if you compare x, is it same as mid? No. Is x greater than mid? Yes. Thus, which mean that as x value is more than 3, so we are supposed to search in the right half of the right side of the 3. Thus, I value will be adjusted as 2 and low value is taken as 3. Now, again, the probable value for that is x value where that will be in this data, assuming the low is 3, high is 17, we estimate. Thus, m value becomes 2. X of m, a of m, that the value at that location is 5. Now, x is 4, mid value is 5. Is x same as mid? No. Is x is same as, is greater than mid? No. It is less than mid. So thus, now we need not require to search after mid, that is 5. So we have to search before that only. Thus, high value will be made as 5, j value will be made as 2. The while condition, while I less than j, it becomes false. Thus, when you last statement is executed, that becomes false, which means that 4 is not available in the array. Like this, the search algorithm, interpolation search algorithm is carried out by using the data and predicting the where will be the probable location of the given element, that is x, in that data. Then we will decide our search. The completion of this algorithm is log n.